Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this OnePlus. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. I will go with Play Store. Now you need to access background apps. If you are using Trickies Navigation, you can always do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. From here, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen. Then just click on the other one, like Chrome. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!